All right, this right here is going to be a quick walkthrough of one of the East Camp cabins, looking at the mechanical systems. We planned out the electrical, the HVAC, and the plumbing. So we had some contractors do the plumbing, and we did the HVAC, electrical, and fire alarm in this building here. All right, so here we are inside the little mechanical room. This is a Firelight addressable system. Thermostats. These are the Vinstar T3800 series. You can add a little Wi-Fi module to them. These are in all the East Camp cabins and also in the Rock. Here's all of the controllers for the ceiling fans. Once again, then you've got Bunker E. The controller's missing, but you've got down, 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 up is the code for the controller there in the fan. That's it in here. We are upstairs in the loft area. There's an HVAC system above the ceiling here, and an HVAC system here above this bunk room. These are single stage systems, and the access panel for those units is right here, and they have a hockey puck wet switch, so sometimes you'll get a faulty read on these. But that is it. Like I said, that unit is located right here. And that's it. We'll go underneath the building now. One other quick thing on these units. So when we designed the HVAC or thought it out, these were originally bunk rooms with kids. So here is your remote sensor for the unit that basically conditions these two rooms, these two bunk rooms, and then also half of this main room here. So what has happened on a couple of these is one of these units can kind of run off and leave the other one. So this unit here maintains the temperature in this main room at 73, and that thermostat never kicks on. So I currently have the units programmed to automatically circulate air every 30 minutes of every hour, I think, or 20 minutes of the hour. And then you have transfer vents, so even if these doors are closed, it will move air through the bunk space into the primary returns. There is large 4-inch media filters under the floor that need to be changed out. But that's one of the issues. Really, the main issue with these systems is it works great when it's just a bunch of kids, but when you have adults in each room, or you're using it as more of a hotel setting, each room doesn't have control of its own temperature. So right here, these are the 4 condensers, the 2 lower units, the 2 units for the second floor. These are all single stage Carrier. The rest of the systems are Bryant, which is a Carrier product. Also, we get all those from Cook Air. They are 2-stage systems on all of those. So that's it. All right, now we're down here in the crawl space, and what we've got here is our 3 tankless water heaters for this building. They're all networked together for one central controller. There's your plugs and whatnot. Then here you have a electric water heater and a circulation pump, and there's a disconnect. So in the winter, we shut this off. Expansion tank for the water heater right there. Air conditioning system here, air conditioning system back on the other side. This was not my doing here. We had a contractor come in and set these prior to us kind of taking over the electrical on these buildings, but that is your primary means of disconnect underneath the floor. That's a 225 amp disconnect, fusible disconnect, or fused disconnect. And then right there, obviously next to it, is the stamp, where the water enters the building, or your water service. And that is this floor here. Obviously, is concrete. EC-4 is the only cabin that has a concrete floor. EC-1, 2, and 3 have vapor membrane, and they all have a dehumidifier under the floor that needs to be serviced periodically. So that is it for this building here.